Oh gosh, I thought I was recording. Anyways, we're at the Montmorency Waterfalls. It's $7 for adults, and then for kids, my daughter was $3.50. My son is free. There's cable car that you can get up, but it was a little bit of confusion in there. I'll when I come back, I will show you guys the inside. I thought I was recording all along, but no, I just took pictures. So anyways, we started the walk. Like the falls is right there, and there's lots of people walking, so we're doing just that. Yeah, I don't think it's an active track. Is this an active track? Well, would they have that if it was an active one? Okay, let's go. I think we're gonna have to walk all the way up. My gosh, man, these kids these days, they want to whine for everything. Whine, whine, whine. Okay, I said to be careful when I'm holding my precious camera.
Who cares?
Well, at least there's a nice deck here.
Who cares about your silly little camera?
It's not silly,
Yes, it is.
and I agree that it's little. It is a very tiny camera. There's the cable car. We gotta inquire about this cable car. It doesn't even look that fancy. No, it does not. And there's my wife recording the action. Hi, how you doing? I've seen you somewhere. I have my GoPro in my pocket, so if it gets too wet or too watery or too blah blah blah, I will switch cams. But for now, I'm going with my favorite camera. I think I like this one better than my GoPro.
Don't make me a silly little camera.
Amelia, you can't call my camera silly.
Yes, I can.
No,
Yeah,
that is totally unfair.
that is totally fun.
Hi,
Hi,
Hi.
baby. Look at that.
come on this side, come on this side, come in the middle. Come in the middle. There's rocks over there, so. And here's my son. He decided to catch up to us. And guys, look at the waterfalls. Woo! It's beautiful. No, it's not gonna rain. Okay, guys, look down. Say hi.
Hi.
Where are we going?
To Ottawa.
No, we're not going to Ottawa. Oh my God, this guy is stuck on Ottawa ever since we went. No, we're done with Ottawa. We're in Quebec.
To Ottawa.
We are in Quebec City.
That is so silly. Yeah, I did love sticky. I love it.
Oh, I can feel the wind. The wind is so strong here. Hey, I will not complain. There's more walking. And there's the highway. Oh, whatever that bell means. Liam, carefully. No, guys, you can't be playing around like that here, because look, one misstep and you guys all fall down. Do I want that? Liam, there's a track on this side. Oh, look, there's people climbing up. Whoa, that's gonna be one wicked climb. Okay, Liam, can you please walk straight? Something about waterfalls. How many waterfalls have you seen? You know which falls this reminds me of? Kakabeka Waterfalls, right in Thunder Bay. At least it looks like 1/3 of that falls.
Only 1/3?
Yeah, because the other one is huge, remember?
No.
For those who are watching, thank you. I try not to edit it, or at least I'm going to try not to. So what you hear is what you get. So thank you for watching, and please make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Literally showing you the full experience from the time we got into the parking lot. I missed the main entrance because I forgot to switch the mode on this camera. Luckily I saw the light blinking. I'm like, where is this light? Then I realized I did not turn on to video.
Daddy,
Wow.
look.
Yeah. Okay, on one side there's people coming behind us.
Right.
One side. Come on this side. Yeah. And if you got kids who wants to play, there's a little play area for them.
I want to go to the play area.
No, we gotta first finish the falls.
Why don't we go to the play? Because probably by the time we come back, it will fluid.
I know, we'll come back. Let's finish.
By the time we come back, it'll fluid.
Wow. He recognized the Stegosaurus.
But by the time we come back, it'll be raining, Daddy.
Beautiful
You know
tree.
that.
What? No,
When we get
the
back,
sun
it'll
is
be
out.
raining.
The sun is out. Where is the rest of my family? I don't see anyone. Wow. Why am I so mesmerized by this falls?
Dad, you want to know why I don't remember the Quebec Falls?
Why? You didn't come. Actually, no, you came. You came.
No, we did not.
We took you the second time. First time me and Mom went by ourselves.
Where did Mommy go? No, it's
Oh, I hear a helicopter.
Mommy. Where's Mommy?
Mommy's coming right behind us. So the cable car is going all the way up there. But then I don't know if there's a walkway. There should be a pathway. Oh, you know what? Maybe you can even go back, walk across, and then take the cable car down. But you know what? That's not fun. This is more fun. You get to see much more than just the cable car ride up and down, right?
No.
Oh boy. I feel the mist.
I feel the rain.
So there's even a helicopter tour. I wonder where it's coming from.
Daddy, it's raining.
Yeah.
But
Wait. No, you gotta walk.
it's raining.
Hey, no, it's not rain. That's you see the waterfall over there?
Is that making it?
That the little bits and pieces are coming. Well, bits and pieces. It's the particles, yes. That's why you think it's rain, but it's not really rain. So yeah, the helicopter is really hovering.
Flashing at us.
So yeah, we're gonna walk up the stairs, okay?
Okay, it's actually the waterfall.
Yeah. Akka, did you listen?
Yeah.
And for those who wonder, Akka means sister in Tamil. So even though they converse in English, there are certain words they use in Tamil. Wow. Alright guys, Montmorency waterfall up close. We're getting closer and closer and closer. Whoa, there's a trail over there too. I wonder how they did that. This, oh no, it's getting too misty. I better turn off my camera. I will okay, I think I'm gonna turn off the camera and then turn it back on once I climb up the stairs. Yeah,
That waterfall is flashing at me. Daddy,
yeah,
I think that you need the cable car to actually
yeah, I know, but you know what? That's the laziest way of doing this. I know what, if the cable car was fancy and long, I would have done it, but it doesn't look like it. And I think ziplining is close too. But we'll think about it. Okay guys, I'm gonna turn off the camera for now, but let me walk a little bit up the stairs and then turn it back on. Walk slow, don't walk fast. Okay, so I'm recording with my GoPro right now. The other one is kind of covered up. I don't want. Wow. Okay guys, to one side, okay? Okay, go, Akka. I told you to hold his hands. Wow. It is crazy. Okay, let's go. Slowly, 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 slowly. Slow, slow. You're gonna fall. Hold Akka. And there's dirt over there too, so please don't step. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Liam, wait. Okay. Now, hold Akka. Okay guys, can you hold on 1 second? Hold. I want to see what mom's up to. Do you see her? Yeah, I see her.
I can't see it.
Alright guys, I made one boo-boo, so I had to
Now
stop.
do you see why they wanted?
This is another problem with the DJI Pocket 2. The wide lens is a tiny piece, and I literally dropped it somewhere, and then luckily my wife was able to find it, so that's why I had to stop. So we're gonna continue to walk. The kids have decided to stay down at the park, so we have to go all the way up. Shall we keep going?
Yeah, well, let's wait for that.
Or he can come. So let's go. So okay, you do that, I'm gonna keep walking up. Oh, we're gonna wait for them to finish the picture, and then we're gonna go walk up there, right? Shit, Montmorency. All right, so here we go. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm getting my steps today for sure. Man, it's all made of wood. There's the fall. Ah. And again, I'll be mixing the footage between my GoPro, my Pocket 2, and my Steadicam. So look how high I am already, and it's not over yet. Oh. Whoa, still massive. So I guess next year you can have a close experience. I'm saying next year, it could be this year, but that definitely looks cool. Okay, I'm gonna stop quickly, take a video with my iPhone, and then start again. All right, stop, took some pictures, posted some shorts. Now continuing the climb. Wow, it is absolutely gorgeous. I hope I have enough battery. Wow, this is insane. Hi. Man, we still have to go all the way up there. Okay. Alright, we go. My wife is still busy taking some good pictures and videos, which I'm thankful for. I'm holding my camera backwards as I walk so you get to see the waterfall. Our next stop is L'Île d'Orléans. We're gonna take that bridge and drive across, and that will probably be our last stop for the day. Man, look at this. We climbed all the way up here. It is not easy, but I'm surprised that I'm not tired like I was last year. That is thanks to all the weight that I lost, and I've been exercising pretty well. So okay, I say I'm 2/3 of the way up, still have a little bit, and there are people here working out. I don't know how they do that. Kudos to her for I wonder how this place is during winter. My God. Slow and steady. We're going up. Wow. Are you serious? That is so cool. Okay. Home stretch. Almost there. Wow. Man, I really hope my wife doesn't drop my camera. That is my only fear. I don't know why. After all, she dropped her iPhone in the Pacific Ocean and expected me to jump in. I was like, what? I even have that video. It's one of my old uploads. Okay. Oh. My phone is secure. My car key is secure. I just forgot the belt, and all my pants and shorts are so loose that they keep falling off. Okay, I think I'm gonna take a 2-minute break and turn off the camera for now. Yeah. All right. Going back up. I know some of you may get tired of watching this, but I will update the timeline so that you don't have to walk or watch the entire walk. I'm already tired. Hey, we made it. Yes. And guess what? dumb people are still leaving trash. Come on, guys. Pick up after your crop. Beautiful. So windy. The air is so refreshing. Look. Now we just have to walk over the bridge and we're done. And there's my wife, still busy taking shots. Yo, you got some dirt or something? You got dirt?
Yeah, when I picking one.
Oh, why, he fell down?
No, you want me to
Oh, he...
carry?
Wow.
There's another truck in here.
Up here it's even nice. Beautiful trees. So, Parc de la Chute Montmorency. Yeah, so we're gonna go over the suspension bridge. And that's it. If I guess if anyone wants to come and picnic, awesome spot. I'm just gonna turn off the camera again, wait for my wife to come and catch up with me, and then we're gonna go. Oh, there she is. Let's go. Oh, she hates when I say let's go. She's filming for me and then I'm pressuring her to leave. Looks like there's a nice deck over here too. Man, I don't know if I can fly my drone around here either.
Very windy.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Super windy. You know what you could do?
Yeah.
You can go to El Darlene. If it doesn't rain, you can fly from there.
Yeah, I want to do the follow me mode when we drive. For a little bit at least. To capture that. I set up everything, so should be quick. Okay, now we're gonna go the suspension bridge
Yeah, and then return.
and then go back. Okay, I'm gonna turn off again. There's nothing more to show till we hit the bridge.
Why aren't you how to zoom this in slow?
Yeah,
I never knew that because if you ever watch me do it, like
I can show you another way, but that takes too much time.
no, I figured this out.
Okay, anyway, so we're about to walk on the suspension bridge and then go
No,
back
to the suspension.
to the suspension bridge. I just turned on my pocket camera, so I'm giving a rest to my GoPro. So let me switch this. So I think I mentioned it before. If you have the combo packet, it comes with that lens, wide lens, which is so tiny. Somehow I dropped it, and thanks to my wife, I just called her, and on the way she somehow managed to find it for me. So now let's turn this camera the other way.
Rock climbing thing over
Oh yeah, it's where I get the rock climb and.
Oh, so if you guys want to do zip line and rock, but is zip line open?
I don't think the line's open.
Yeah, you can do rock climbing.
Wow, this
Which-
looks so pretty. You want to stand there? I'll take a picture.
Oh, come on, how many gardens have we passed by?
Not the garden. I like the water and the dirt.
Oh, so let me take that opportunity to do like a. So there you go, guys. Look. Beautiful. Okay, shall we walk?
Yeah, you keep walking. Turn around. Don't go so fast.
Hey, you can drive your car up here. So for those who are savvy enough, you can bring your car up here. I don't know how much you have to pay, but that's if you really want to be lazy, then you do that. But I think climbing up the stairs was fun. And I don't know what in the middle here, but it's pretty cool. So I want to walk around the edge. It's like the one of the craters in volcano where we could walk around the edge, but I'm not going to do that here. Anyway, guys, for those who are continuing to watch these videos, I thank you profoundly, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I got tons of videos, guys. Alberta, Banff, Jasper. Now I'm doing the East Coast trip. Well, Quebec. I'm not going into any other province. Iceland, Austria. I got ton of videos. Niagara Falls. I gotta still work on my playlist, but you're welcome to watch them. Comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate your feedback. Alright, so here's the beginning of the suspension bridge, and it has an arrow pointing this way, so what does that mean? Oh no, sorry, I'm going to take that back. This is not the suspension bridge, but we're walking towards the suspension bridge. Hey, I don't get it. Where is the suspension bridge? Do you guys see it?
What?
The suspension bridge.
Huh?
It should be here, right? But I don't know why.
That way, suspension bridge.
Yeah, but it says one way pointing this way, so there is no other way to cross. So I'm a little confused. Are we the only ones who are? Oh man, that looks weird. People are probably like, what? There's a sign. I know some people don't like that, but hey, it is what it is. Yeah, I see more cars on that side. Oh, there's a street right there. So maybe I should have came around. Oh well, there's no signs really telling you, and look, now I see far more people coming, so it's okay. Man, I was so upset when I lost that piece, because my wife always tells me I don't know how to take care of my stuff, and I'm like, ah, but no, I'm lucky. Oh, so there's a street access right there. Oh, I think for locals there's an opening right there. If you're not driving, you can just walk through and go this way and go down, right? Nobody's checking. It's like the, what's that conservation park that I went to? So it's like there's a conservation park in Brampton, Heart Lake. We have to pay, I don't know, $10 or $12 per person to get in if you're driving. But then there was a big fence with a big hole at the back. You guys can check that too, and it's free. Hey, I'm really getting comfortable vlogging with this camera. I still see people looking at me and kind of laughing, but hey, I don't care. I love doing this, so people can laugh all they want. I got my keys. I just have to make sure I don't lose anything. Parked, so we're still in the park. Does it tell me where I'm at? No, but anyways, we're getting close. Oh, we're here, so not too far. Oh, I see the beginning of the suspension bridge. Man, I better back up this. Now we only have to do the drive, and then depending on time, we'll try to see if we can chase the other waterfall that we were trying this morning. Well, we can try. Well, it's not night. It's only 3:35.
What time is it?
It's 3:30. Hey mom, try to put that little thing through your hand, so in case it slips off, it doesn't end up in the water. And there's one for this too. I need you to help me put it because I don't have a pin. She doesn't like it when I say that. Yeah, it is a suspension bridge because I saw that. Yeah, I gotta look up the exact definition for you, but oh wait, I think we better go look at that first and then come back. Yeah, do this. Let's go check from there and then come back. Alright, here it is. But before we walk across, we're gonna go down and check from here. Wow. Well, you got a good view of the bridge from this side. Wow. Somehow a log made its way here and it's still stuck. Oh, I think I got it. I think now I'm a little confused. Do we came this way? No, I think we came that way. Then it's going to be a loop going back. Mom, I think it's a loop, going back. Then we can go grab the kids. Okay, she's busy doing her 360. There you go. Oh, you can even go up there. Oh, that's the street. Whew. And you can see L'Île d'Orléans just over there. We should be there in the next half an hour or so. I think I got all my steps for the day. Yeah, I got 16, almost 17,000 steps. So then I don't feel bad for eating and maybe having another drink tonight. Last night I had 2 beer and I may do the same. Alright, I'm going to turn this off till I head back to the bridge. Actually no, I'm just going to continue. Yeah, I guess there's more hiking trails. My brother-in-law looks like he's lost. You okay? You look like you're lost. Okay. And if you wanna buy ice cream, chips. Alright, I'm almost done. I stopped, took some pictures, and now heading back. So, hello. Alright, that's it. We are set. I hope the wind doesn't tip it, but I'm done. We're done with Montmorency. Whoa, close. And I do have the small stand, but I just didn't bring it with me. So that's it. We're just outside of the park and ready to walk back. So I think I'm gonna end it now. I don't think I want to capture the walk all the way back, even though there are some pretty scenic views over here. Let me flip the camera. Man, flipping the camera is is a task. Unless you connect your iPhone. So again, beautiful views. It's an absolute must. It's $7 per adult, and then $3.50 for children, or at least for, I don't even know what age you have to be, but it's $3.50. My daughter is 8, and my son, who's 3.5, was not charged. And there's my wife. So I think I'll continue recording for a little bit more to show you guys the rest of the park, but we're done. Oh, that's a cool gear. I think I need one of those for my son so that he doesn't complain. Wow, my wife is like on a shooting spree. I'm gonna try to put this one over here. It is a little shaky unless I hold it.
Why don't we go back the same way now?
It's up to you guys.
Yeah, they're right there. But other,
Well, look.
it's all greenery.
Yeah, no, I know. I don't think there's much. I don't mind. So let's just go back.
Yeah,
Okay, so change of plans. I saw him walk this way.
Oh, okay, I missed it.
So
Okay.
let's go.
Yeah, hold on, let me just take a video.
Wow, I didn't even have to ask. All right, well, we're done with the Montmorency Waterfalls. The only thing I'm gonna do is I missed the main entrance center, so I'll shoot that, and then we're out.